Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use templates for your Instagram Reels. So let's get right into it. Now, if you just simply go and swipe right and try to create a reel that way, as you can see, you really don't have access to any templates. Now, if I click on the settings in the top right, as you can see, I don't have access to templates. You can go through these and you might find filters which you might want to use. However, that is not the same as a template. To create a template, you can either go onto the plus at the very bottom, and as you can see, you can create a post, or you can go to Reel and select if you want a draft or a template. You can click on templates and browse your templates, or just use saved ones, or you can just, well, yeah, pretty much do that. If you go into your Reels, then click on the camera in the top right. Here you can use either Reel or templates like this. And let me just go into templates really quickly. As you can see, I'll just go into this reel and you can just click on it to use it as a template. Now, you can also go and find any reels which can be used as templates. And for that, you need to search for a reel that has use template at the top of the username of that post or that poster. And as you can see, I don't really have any, well, I can't find any reels which will enable me to use them as templates, sadly. So yeah, pretty much your main way is just to click the plus and then go into reel and then select templates, then browse, and you can also save any templates which you might have and then use them to create your own Instagram reels. And that is pretty much all there is to it. It's as simple as that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.